Hi friends, in this we are going to discuss about the indirect ELISA method. Indirect. First, there will be antigen is adsorbed on the well plate. It is adsorbed, and it's a two-step process. As I said, it's indirect two-step process. First, the unlabeled primary antibodies binds to the host specific antigen. In this, we can see that its antigen antibody is going to bind here, bind to this antigen. After that, there will be an attachment of enzyme conjugated secondary antibody. Secondary antibody is going to attach here. By that, there will be a change in the color takes place. In simple manner, it occurs in two steps. First, attachment antibody is unlabeled primary antibody binds to specific antigen. Second one is the first step. Second step is enzyme conjugated secondary antibody that is directed against the host species of the primary antibodies applied. After adding, there will be a change in color that we can detect. Coming to the advantages, it has high sensitivity, that is we can detect easily, and more than one labeled secondary antibody can bind to the primary antibody, and economic few labeled antibodies are needed, and it has greater flexibility. You can see different primary antibodies can be used with a single labeled secondary antibodies. And the main disadvantages are possibility of background noise. Secondary antibody may be cross-reactive. That is, in this first antibody is attached, and after second one is going to attach, there will be a cross-reaction may takes place. Cross-reactivity may takes place, and takes longer procedure than ELISA technique. Additional incubation step for secondary antibody is needed. As I said, it requires more than two steps. It requires two steps, or it requires more steps than the direct ELISA, so it takes longer time. And it mainly used for is determining total antibody concentration in the sample. In simple sense, it requires two antibody. First one is unlabeled, second one is labeled, and mainly used for determining total antibody concentration in the samples.